ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 74 टीका थर्ड लाइन। योयम उद्गीथो नाम कर्मांग भूतः पदार्थः तत्कर्तुः प्राणस्य स्वरूप आश्रयणम एव कथम सिद्ध्यति इति आशंका आह। दिस उद्गीत is karmanga bhuta, means part of a karma ritual. तत् कर्तुः प्राणस्य स्वरूप आश्रयणम एव कथम सिद्ध्यति. Its कर्तुः means the goal of that is prana, means hiranyagarbha. If one takes the ashraya of that, means here that prana which is glorified, one who takes ashraya of that will attain the goal. How will it happen? Katham siddhyati iti ashankyaha. In bhashya, उद्गीत कर्म पदार्थ कर्तृ स्वरूप आश्रयणम च ज्ञान कर्मभ्याम. How that ashrayanam will happen? By jnana and means upasana and karma. Jnana karma. This is bhashya, second last line almost. So 8 number tippani says prana vishayaka upasana karma samuchya anusthana. One has to do all the karma and also upasana to attain this. Kim tat karma, kim va jnanam tad aha. What is that karma and what is that jnanam? Karma vakshamanam mantra japa lakshanam viditsyamanam tad etani japet iti. Karma is vakshamanam, that which will be said. What is to be said? Mantra japa. Here karma is not some ritual, here mantra japa is given. Viditsyamanam. Viditsyamanam, dha dhatu is there. Dha, dudhaye, dharana poshana yoho. San pratyaya, when it will come, then the dhatu will become dhitsa. Dha will become dhitsa. Karmani prayoga, when you do, dhitsya it will become. Dha dhatu, san pratyaya, dhitsa. Karmani prayoga, dhitsya. In that, lat lakara, which shanach pratyaya will become dhitsyamana. Vi upasarga purvaka viditsyamanam. The one whose vidhi will be given, injunction will be given, viditsyamanam. Tad etani japet. And jnanam is, jnanam tu idameva nirupyamanam. Nirupana of this, that jnanam, idameva. 9 number tippani. अशुद्ध वागादि परित्याग पूर्वक शुद्ध प्राणोपासनम एवं. So this is being discussed here in this section that Vagadi are Ashuddha and Prana is Shuddha in this way. Tika. तद एतानि असतोमा सद्गमय इत्यादीनि यजुंषि जपेत इति विदित्स्यमानम इति योजना. So this is a japa mantra. असतोमा सद्गमय, तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय. This is a japa mantra and it comes under upasana. Therefore, when it is said asatoma sadgamaya, so sat does not mean from non-existent you take me to that which is absolute existence. Tamasoma jyotirgamaya, from darkness to light, means not from ignorance to knowledge. This is not the meaning. You know what is the meaning of all these three? Asatoma satgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityurma amritam gamaya. Meaning of all this will be from swabhavika jnana karma take me to shastriya jnana karma. This is the meaning. When we don't know, then we translate this as some absolute idea. So Bhashyakar explains all this. Now Tika. Dvayaha ityadi na jnana nirupana param japa vidhi sheshatvena arthavadatvat tat kuto atra jnanasya nirupyamanatvam iti akshipati. Dvayaha prajapatyaha ityadi, this mantra, na jnana nirupana param japa vidhi sheshatvena arthavadatvat. So, because it is arthavada, this dvayaha prajapatyaha, this is arthavada. Therefore, it is not japa vidhi shesha. Na jnana nirupana param japa vidhi sheshatvena arthavadatvat. So it is not jnana nirupana para. Why? Because it is japa vidhi shesha. The Purva Pakshi is saying. This is Purva Pakshi. Akshepa. Tat kuto atra jnanasya nirupyamanatvam. Then why it is jnanasya nirupyamanatvam? Means how do you say it is talking of upasana? In Bhashya, Purva Paksha. Nanu idam abhyaroha japa vidishesho arthavado na jnana nirupana param. Purva Pakshi says this asatoma sadgamaya is called abhyaroha. Abhyarohana mantra. In this entire Bhashya of this Udgita Brahmana, it will be called abhyarohana. Abhi upasarga purvak, ang upasarga purvak, ruh dhatu, घय प्रत्यय अभ्यारोहण और अभ्यारोह. रुह will become रोह, अभ्यारोह. जप विधि शेषो अर्थवादो, this अर्थवाद is not jnana nirupana param. It is not talking about jnana means upasana. It is not for upasana. Why? It is japa vidhi shesha. Siddhanti says no, that is not true. Seen tika. Abhimukhena arohati deva bhavam anena iti abhyaroho. What is abhyaroha? Abhimukhena deva bhavam arohati. This mantra, what is deva bhav? What is the difference between devatas and asuras? Shastriya karma upasana and ashastriya karma upasana. This is the bheda. So if I want Deva Bhava, what should I do? I should have Shastriya karma upasana. So abhimukhyena arohati Deva Bhavam. I will rise to Deva Bhava. How? By turning towards this. Turning towards what? Shastriya, Jnana and Karma. Abhimukhyena arohati Deva Bhavam. Abhimukhya means my face. I am facing Shastriya Jnana Karma all the time. Then I will rise to Deva Bhava. If a person is facing only money all the time, then he will attain that, because that is what his goal is. He is seeking it. Shastriya Karma and Jnana, if I constantly seek, I will become Devata. Anena iti abhyaroho mantra japaha. This is the mantra japa. Tad vidhi shesho arthavado. This is vidhi shesho arthavada. Its vidhi shesha is this arthavada dvayaha prajapatya. Means that dvayaha prajapatyaha, that whole story is arthavada, akhyayika. So that I get inspired for following this japa. This point you should note down. Later also it will be useful. Any vidhi, if it is given by itself, if a person does not get inspired, then for that they are given arthavada. Arthavada means some prashansha. That prashastya, what we just saw, is this. So that that person will get inspired. So here also, if just like that somebody had said, you do asatoma sadgamaya tamasoma jyotirgamaya japa, the person may not have done. So that person is told, no, okay, you do it because you will become victorious like Devatas and you will defeat all asuras. Then they will be inspired. Because everybody wants Vijay. Upasti Vidhi. So, in what are the main point? In Vidhi Vakya alone there will be Arthavada. Arthavada cannot come without some Vidhi. According to Purva Mimamsaka, Arthavada is not for karma. Arthavada directly doesn't do any karma. Arthavada will inspire you to do some other karma, which is the main part. This is why that sentence is given by Purva Mimamsakas. Vidhina tu ekavakyatvat stutyarthena vidhinam syu. Arthavada Vakya will become ekavakya with Vidhi Vakya. Arthavada Vakya will have ekavakyata with Vidhi Vakya. Vidhinam tu ekavakyatvat stutyarthena vidhinam syu. Arthavada Vakya as stuti or as ninda will be connected to Vidhi Vakya. Upasti Vidhi Shravana. That's why you see here. Upasana Vidhi Shravanat. Tat param vakyam na japa vidhi shesha iti dushayati. Siddhanti says, Upasana Vidhi is there here. Tat param vakyam, it is not japa vidhi shesham iti dushayati ma na. Why? Ya evam veda iti vachanat. Ya evam veda means upasate. This is already given. The one who does upasana in this way. And therefore, it is not japa vidhi shesha. This arohana mantra, not japa vidhi shesha. Tika. Ma bhut japa vidishesha. Okay, let us say it is not japa vidishesha. तथापि उद्गायेति औद्गात्रस्य उद्गाय इति औद्गात्रस्य कर्मणः सन्निधाने पुरातन कल्पना प्रकारस्य द्वयाः इत्यादिना श्रवणात् तद विधिशेषो अर्थवादो यम इति शंकते. उद्गाय इति उद्गात्रस्य कर्मणः. औद्गात्र means that which belongs to udgata. Udgatuhu idam audgatram. Udgata in the Vedic ritual is one of the singer of the psalm. Its karma is called audgatram. Udgatrasya karmanah sannidhane puratana kalpana prakarasya, because puratana earlier he had this dvayaha prajapatyaha in this way. Akhyayika begins in this way. So something was there earlier that is mentioned. Dvayaha ityadina shravana tad vidhi shesho arthavadoyam iti shankate. Another question is there, that this arthavada is for what? Tad vidhi shesha. What is that? See in the bhashya. Udgitha prastave pura kalpa shravanat udgitha vidhi param iti chet. Udgitha Prastava. Prastava in the Prakarana, the topic. In that topic of Udgitha, like this Udgitha Brahmana, Pura Kalpa is heard. Earlier what happened? Therefore, earlier means in the earlier Kalpa. Pura Kalpa Shravanat. Udgitha Vidhi Param. This is for Udgitha Vidhi. Iti Chetna. Aprakaranat. The Prakarana is not of Udgitha. Udgitha Prakaranam is there in Karma Kanda. This is Upanishad. See in the Bhashya. Udgithasya cha anyatra vihitatvat. Udgitha is discussed elsewhere. Here what is there? Vidya prakaranatvat cha asya. Here Vidya prakarana is there. Vidya means this is Udgitha upasana. Therefore here Udgitha vidhi is not there. See in Tika. Nedam vakyam jnanam cha Udgitha vidhi sheshaha. This vakyam and jnanam is not Udgitha vidhi shesha. Means it is not that Udgitha vidhi is the main thing and this Asatoma Sadgamaya is part of it. In that way it is not. Tat Prakaranasthatva Abhavena, because it is not primarily the Udgitha Karma Prakarana. Abhavena Sannidhi Abhavat iti Dushayati. It is not in the proximity of that. Na Aprakaranat iti. Udgithastarhi kva vidhiyate na khalu avihitam angam bhavati. Then where is Udgitha mentioned? Because if it is not vihitam, it cannot be angam. Avihitam angam na bhavati. Means if there is no injunction, it will not become part of it. So this portion you have to have lot of patience. Huh? Because if you see when Aham Brahmasmi will come, when Aham Brahmasmi will come, you have to wait. When it comes, it will come. It will come and it will go. And at that time you will say, but nothing happened. Aham Brahmasmi. So now again you will have to wait for the next cycle of Prahadaranyaka. So don't be impatient now and feel, I am waiting here for Aham Brahmasmi to come because I was not interested in karma and upasana to begin with. This Swamiji unnecessarily said, study Brahadaranyaka. I am stuck. So don't feel like that. Have patience. Your true nature will be revealed soon. Soon means it will take quite some time. Even though it is in the next section itself. We are in the third section. It is in the fourth section. We should have so much vairagya that they are trying to explain. That I should have vairagya even from becoming Hiranyagarbha. If I am told, why don't you become next Hiranyagarbha, Brahma? And in my mind, I say, that sounds very good. So at that time itself, I should say, no, I don't want. Tavaiva vahas, tavandratya gite. You keep everything. I don't want it. That much vairagya, if we don't have, we still have to increase vairagya. So where is it said? Because if it is not a vidhi vakya, avihitam angam na bhavati. So it is said anyatra iti karma kandokti. It is given in karma kanda vibhaga. And here atha udgaya iti udgitha vidhi api iha pratiyate. Tat katham sannidhi apodyate. Then why do you say here sannidhi is not there? Because here also it is said udgaya. So some udganam is there. Tatraha. This is vidya prakarana. Vidya prakaranatvacha asya. Vidya means upasana. उद्गीत विधि इह प्रतीयमानः प्राणस्य उद्गात्र दृष्ट्या उपासन विधि अन्यथा प्रकरण विरोधात्. Main topic here is prana upasana, hiranyagarbha upasana. We saw that ashwamedha rupena hiranyagarbha upasana, agni rupena hiranyagarbha upasana. Now prana rupena hiranyagarbha upasana, and that prana with some guna, some great qualities, that is the topic here. So when the meaning has to be derived, that meaning cannot be out of the context of what the topic is. Pranasya udgatra drashtya upasana vidhi. Prana itself will do udganam. Devatas will tell prana, you do udganam in this way. Pranasya udgatra drashtya upasana vidhi. Anyatha, if any other way you do, then prakarana virodhat. Further in Tika. जप विधि शेषत्वम उद्गीत विधि शेषत्वम वा ज्ञानस्य नास्ति इति उक्तम्. जप विधि शेषत्वम उद्गीत विधि शेषत्वम वा ज्ञानस्य. So this upasana, jnana here means upasana. This Hiranyagarbha upasana is neither japa vidhi shesha nor udgita vidhi shesha. Means it is not japa vidhi is main and then part of it is this discussion of Hiranyagarbha upasana. Or udgita vidhi is the main and this is the shesha. It is not like that. Prana is the mukhya angi. इदानीं जप विधि शेषत्व अभावे युक्त्यंतरम आह. जप विधि शेषत्व अभावे. जप विधि शेषत्व, if it is not there, then why it is not there? In that another yukti is given. Yuktyantaram. Abhyaroha japasya cha anityatvat. This abhyarohana japa is anitya. What is anitya? Because we say everything is anitya. No, anitya here means, see, anityatvam sadhayati. Evam with prayojyatvat. Evam with prayojyatvat. He explains this in Tika. In Tippani it is given, this first part you see. प्राण विज्ञानवता अनुष्ठेयत्वाद इत्यर्थः. Person who has the knowledge of Hiranyagarbha, that person should do asatoma satgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amritagamaya, this japa. So japasya prana vijnanavat purusha anushtheyatvena vijnanat prag asatvat kadachit tattvam. This is the anityatvam. A person, in English if you want to understand, japasya prana vijnanavat purusha anushtheyatvena. Japa will be performed by only that person who is prana vijnanavan, means hiranyagarbha jnana, who has prana vijnanavat purusha anushtheyatvena. Before that knowledge, asatvan. So that person, for that person, this japa, asatoma satgamaya, is not going to give that result which the Hiranyagarbha Jnanavan will get. What is evam with prayojyatvat? In Tika it is explained. Prana Vijnanavata Anushtheyo Japo Na Tad Vijnanat Prak Asti. Japa should be done by the person who already has the knowledge of prana, means Hiranyagarbha. Na Tad Vijnanat Prak, prior to the knowledge of that, Tad Vijnanat Prak Na Asti. That it is not anushtheya. Anushtheyo na asti. Japa anushtanam should not be done before prana vijnana. Tanna asau paschad bhavi prageva siddham vijnanam prayojayati ityartha. Vijnanam should be prageva siddham. That is a prayojaka. So in this sequence only you will have to do. Asau japaha, which is paschad bhavi, prageva siddham vijnanam na prayojayati. You understood this line? Japa will not prompt Hiranyagarbha Vijnanam. Hiranyagarbha Vijnanam will prompt Japa. Tanna asau paschad bhavi. Asau japaha. Paschad bhavi. This japa which comes later, it cannot be a prayojaka for Vijnanam, which is prageva siddham. Prageva siddhanam Vijnanam na prayojayati. तस्यापि प्राचीनत्वं कथम इति आशंक्य आह. तस्यापि मीन्स विज्ञानस्य 11 नंबर टिप्पणी. विज्ञानस्य प्राचीनत्वं कथम. हाउ डू यू से विज्ञानम इज फर्स्ट इति आशंक्य आह. भाष्य विज्ञानस्य च नित्यवत् श्रवणात्. Vijnanam is nityavad. Nityavad means it always has to come first in this way. Means Vijnanam is must. This Hiranyagarbha Upasaka needs this Upasana, Vijnanam. Japa is optional. Ya evam in Tika. Ya evam vidwan paurnamasim yajata itivat ya evam veda iti vijnanam shrutam. Paurnamasi, not paurnamasim. Ya evam vidwan paurnamasim yajeta itivat ya evam veda iti vijnanam shrutam. So just like there is another quotation, ya evam vidwan paurnamasim yajeta, this Darsha Purnamasa yajanam, yajate, yajate. Itivat, like that, ya evam veda, iti vijnanam. Veda means upasate. Na hi prayajadi paurnamasi prayojakam. Here also paurnamasi. Prayajadi, they are not prayojaka for paurnamasi. Paurnamasi means this Darsha Purnamasa yaga. Tasyaha eva tat prayojakatvat. Are you all getting this point?
Yes, Swamiji.
And offline students? Huh? Offline students are getting it?
To some extent, Swamiji.
You are online. I will repeat again. I'll make it simple. Okay. See, Prayajadi and Darsha Purnamasa. There are two. Okay. Darsha Purnamasa is the main yajna. Prayaj and Anuyaj, they are Anga. When you do Prayaja, when you do Anuyaja, they will produce Adrishta. Darsha Purnamasa will produce its own Adrishta Phala. Put together, they will produce Maha Adrishta, great Punya. That will give you final result. So when you cannot do only Prayaja by itself. Prayaja will be done by the person who is doing Darsha Purnamasa. Right? That is the main one. Then this will be the side ones. Like how in puja, you do main puja. In that main puja, you say Deepa Pujanam, Kalasha Pujanam, Bhumi Pujanam, all the other Pujanam that you do, Ganapati Pujanam. So those are Anga. And Mukhya Puja will be Mahavishnu Puja you will do, Bhagavan. So then all those puja if you have done, and then when you do this puja, then all those pujas, they are actually going to become part of this main thing. In puja, of course, the sequence is first you do all the small ones, then you do the big one. But here, Darsha Purnamasa is the main one. So your main sankalpa will not be for any small pujas, right? Mukhya sankalpa will be for the Darsha Purnamasa, main puja. And then you say, whatever is required to accomplish this, tadangam api karishyami, all. So like that, that's why here what is given, tasyaha eva tat prayojakatvat. Now you have to see previous line. Prayajadi, paurnamasi, prayajadi na paurnamasi prayojakam. Right? That is the vakya before. Prayajadi are not paurnamasi prayojakam. You see here, this is prayaja. Prayajadi are not paurnamasi prayojakam. On the other hand, tasyaha eva tat prayojakatvat. Now what is tasyaha?
Paurnamasi.
Right.
It is very clear, there is only one Strilinga, paurnamasi. Tasyaha eva tat prayojakatvat. Prayajadi prayojakatvat. Paurnamasi yaga will prompt you for prayajadi. Tatha, in the same way, pranavit prayojyo japa. By the knower of Hiranyagarbha, japa will be pranavit prayojyo japa. Japa is not vijnana prayojakaha. Japa is not vijnana prayojaka. Tasya swaprayojakattvena prageva siddhehe. Tasya japasya. Swa means vijnana. जपस्य विज्ञान प्रयोजकत्वेन प्रागेव सिद्धेः आवश्यकत्वात्. विज्ञान means required first for japa to be accomplished. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.